I got the juice like a snow cone.
Step 1. Clean the surface where you will be installing the front lip. Use a microfiber cloth and some rubbing alcohol to remove any dirt, dust, or debris. Step 2. Assemble the multi-piece front bumper lips and tighten the fixing screws.
Like Frodo. Activate the beast mode. I keep it hot, give your brain a heat stroke. You ain't a big shot, you some basic B-roll. The world is mine, like my name's Pacino. Hey, it's Nico, I guess I'm back. Catch me in the fast lane on the right track. And my shorty is a 10 like.
Step 3. Lay out the front lip and ensure that all the mounting points line up with the corresponding points on your car. Use masking tape to temporarily fix the front lips on the exact location where you want to install the front lip.
Got the gold chain and the wristwatch. Pull up on the scene like a big shot. EDM and hip-hop.
Step 4. Carefully align the front lip and use a screwdriver or drill to secure any screws or bolts that came with the front lip. Then make sure that all the screws were all tightened. Finish. Slightly clean up the front bumper lips by using microfiber cloth.
I gotta follow my vision, no time for daydreams. All my brothers get money, we call it gang green. Just another day, but our focus still on the same thing. Us against everyone else, I recommend you change teams. Who the hottest in the city? We the top 2. You said your music was litty, but that is not true. Just being honest, you should really just